Well, 2014 BRZ. I think I got these points cleaned up. It does slides in without any issues. Now, this is the original rack from the car. I think it's got something going on there. Yeah, it definitely doesn't feel okay. No, it's got like a bumps. So out of these two shafts, this is the original. To me, it feels like the U-joints are looser on that one. This is the used one. It feels a lot smoother. That's why I decided to clean up this rust and use that. Now, what's going on the car? That's the car. So somebody else started working on it, and then they asked me to help out and finish it up. So what they did so far, they put a rack and pinion in it. I mean rack, but I think there is a issue with the alignment. Looking at this tire, it's obviously not in the middle, but that's not a big deal. The big deal is somebody didn't clean the rust from the shaft. You can kind of get a hand in there. I was trying to scrape it out with a battery brush, just like that, because I don't, once if it's out, you can just wire brush it with a drill, and that's it. It's ready to be installed. But if you install it before, you see all this rust over there. I don't know if you can see it on the splines. I hope they're gonna slide in. I'm gonna try to clean it more. Now, the whole thing with this electrical motor drive. Okay, that's how much taken out. This car got a aftermarket BS on it. Okay, once you get in here, once you removed all that, the wiring, you have to squeeze those tabs or push on them to remove them. You have to, they go right here. This one you can get in on with the screwdriver on both sides. This one, maybe your finger, maybe a screwdriver from this side, from that side. It's kind of a real pain, but as long as you get at least one of them pushed in, it should come out. So that's the wiring harness. Another thing that's kind of tough, the wiring harness goes around here to the ignition. So I kept the top part on. From here you have to push on top, so it just on temporarily the steering wheel. Now back here is the magical bolt. You got to take out this bolt, 14 millimeters, unplug the brake sensor. I don't even know what's the best tool to use here. Another 2 bolts here, and then if you got the wires out, and the wiring harness from here for the power steering. Here kind of tricky. You have to push that white tab in first before you unplug it, then you can unplug it. Okay, what did I use to get that 14 millimeter bolt over there? I used the ratchet, but I just used the socket that I had. You cannot, it doesn't go in straight, so I just used the bar creates bar like that, that gives you a good room to be able to tighten it up. Yeah, like that. So that's what I used. It's already tightened. Now I got to put in the shaft. Put in the shaft, and then the wiring, and then the sensor. And the sensor, I did check the position of the scan tool, that it's on 0. Right now it's 0. Do not touch it. So basically what I'm gonna do is assemble the mechanical part. We'll try to get the center on the rack and pinion, and then put in the sensor, then double check everything, and if I need to move the splines again. Alright, thank you.